So, hello dear viewers. So, I want to talk briefly about what is graphotherapy. So, as you have got to know about by watching, I have uploaded some short videos, like in short sections, about why handwriting analysis and why handwriting, and I have uploaded one video also that what handwriting exactly signifies about our personality, about our overall traits, and about our overall health as well. So, what is the graphotherapy? Graphotherapy is the next step after handwriting analysis. Like any other therapy, chemotherapy or radiotherapy or whatever. Therapy means what? Therapy means therapeutic therapy, to heal or to improvise or to make it on a place it on the right track. So grapho means graph writing, graph and therapy, that is graphotherapy. So basically, for example, if you wish to develop something, some new trait, or if you wish to, okay, listen carefully. If you wish to or if you are willing to, अगर आप चाहते हो खुद को इम्प्रूव करना, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी इम्प्रूव करूं ताकि मैं अपने जॉब पे या मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ पे या अपनी रिलेशनशिप्स में या किसी भी लाइफ के फ्रंट में आई शुड एक्सेल और आई शुड टेक द फ्रंट, मीन्स लाइक मेरी जो लाइफ है अभी, जो करंट लाइफ है, उससे थोड़ी सी अच्छी हो जाए या फिर अच्छी होती रहे. सो इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू डू दैट, if you're comfortable with the change in a positive way, then graphotherapy is for you. Okay, so basically graphotherapy trains your mind to change your patterns, to change your traits for the betterment. And so, but however it is very deep any which ways, but it is like our brain is sending some signals to our hand movements. We are doing these hand movements to signal our brain. Okay, so there are specific movements of our fingers like mudras, mudras, specific movement which will trigger our brain in a favorable manner, in a positive manner. So that is basically graphotherapy, and believe me guys, it works wonders. It works, means like, yeah, you don't have to believe anyone else, you just try it and just experience it, because it is a matter of experimentation, it is a matter of experience, it is a matter of results. You know what, the most important thing matters in our life is results and results. लोग आपको कभी नहीं पूछेंगे कि आप कितने पढ़े हुए, मतलब लाइक एक आपकी डिग्री देखेंगे, बट अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू शो द रिजल्ट्स, पीपल नेवर गोना बिलीव यू. कभी भी वो विश्वास नहीं करेंगे. इवन इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, इवन इन एनी फील्ड, टीचिंग फील्ड हो गई, कोई सी भी फील्ड ले लो, सर्जरी हो गई, डॉक्टर की फील्ड हो गई, अगर डॉक्टर कितना भी पढ़ा लिखा हो, इफ हीज ट्रीटमेंट इज नॉट शोइंग द डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट, विल यू विजिट द डॉक्टर अगेन? No, right? But at the same time, another doctor who is not that qualified, but as soon as you go to him, he just identifies what is your problem and gives that medicine that correctly works on that correctly hits to your problem. तो बार वो उसके पास में. In fact, you will suggest others also to please यार go to him. I don't know, his hands are magical. He just gives you whatever and it works like wonder. It is a result. So don't believe as such any thing prior to doing this. Experience the results and then switch on your gear to the highest level and kickstart. Keep watching. Thank you.